Trusted drone insider Jasper Ellens shared what we might expect for European pricing on DJI's upcoming DJI Flip drone, with 3 different configurations ranging from €439 to €779. And now, another well-known drone leaker, Igor Bogdanov, has confirmed those numbers. So, let's dive into what this means. The DJI Flip will reportedly come in 3 versions. The base model, which doesn't include a controller, is set to cost €439, around $478. Want the RC2 controller in the box? That'll bump the price up to €639, about $696. And for those who love extras, the Fly More combo, with a controller, extra batteries, and a carrying case, lands at €779, $849. If you're in the US, expect prices to be slightly lower, maybe $449 for the base model, since EU prices tend to include taxes, and US prices don't. Now, let's talk specs. According to the leaks, the DJI Flip will weigh just 249 grams. Yep, that's under the FAA's 250-gram registration limit, which means no paperwork hassle for most users. It's compact too, reportedly measuring 30 by 30 by 8 cm. In inches, that's 11.8 by 11.8 by 3.1. Perfect for tossing into a backpack. What's even cooler? It's rumored to have a bigger battery than the Mini 4 Pro, despite being smaller. Add in the fact that it's foldable, similar to the Hover Air X1 series, and you've got a drone built for portability without cutting corners. Oh, and it's compatible with DJI's RC2 controller, so it slides right into their existing ecosystem. This pricing and feature set put the Flip in a sweet spot, affordable enough for hobbyists, but capable enough for more serious users. It's clear DJI wants to give us options, whether we're using just a smartphone or going all in with a full-featured setup. No official word yet on a US release date, but it's expected to drop soon, probably before any new DJI regulations take effect. So, keep your eyes peeled. What do you think? Could the DJI Flip be your next drone? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest drone news. Peace out.